China's dark factories, a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. Are robots about to take over? Not quite, but China's dark factories are revolutionizing manufacturing as we know it. Imagine a factory floor with no lights and no people. That's a dark factory. These facilities are fully automated, run by AI and robots, and require no human presence during operation. This isn't science fiction. China is rapidly adopting this technology to boost efficiency and reduce costs. China's manufacturing sector is facing rising labor costs and increased global competition. Dark factories offer a solution by minimizing human error and maximizing output. Industry forecasts predict that dark factories will become increasingly common in the next decade, transforming global supply chains. This is a major shift for business leaders to consider. Several technologies make dark factories possible. These include advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, IoT. AI algorithms optimize production processes in real time, while IoT sensors monitor equipment performance and predict maintenance needs. This tech review highlights the power of integration. The rise of dark factories raises concerns about job displacement. What happens to manufacturing workers when robots take over their jobs? This news report emphasizes the need for retraining and upskilling programs to help workers transition to new roles in the automated economy. We must prepare for the future. Dark factories present significant opportunities for businesses. Increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved product quality are just a few of the benefits. However, implementing dark factory technology requires significant investment and careful planning. Business leaders need to weigh the costs and benefits carefully. China's dark factories offer a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. While challenges remain, the potential benefits are undeniable. This educational video aims to inform tech enthusiasts, manufacturing workers, and business leaders about this transformative trend. The future is automated. Are you ready? Ready to revolutionize your manufacturing process? Explore the potential of automation for your business. Contact us today for a consultation and download our free white paper on implementing dark factory technologies. Don't get left behind. Embrace the future of manufacturing